Alright, what is up everyone? In this video, I'll show you guys how to change the trade and acquisition limits for your ESPN Fantasy Football League. This guide helps you out. Leave a like and comment for the algorithm. That helps me. Thank you very much and have a good day. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go under League up here at the top left, and then under our league name, we're going to click on Settings. Once we get to Settings, we are going to look at the top here and go to Transactions and Keepers. And under here, we are going to go to trade rules or acquisition rules, depending on what you want to change. Let's say we want to change the acquisition limit. We can change it to, let's say, 5 allowed. Or if we want to change the trade limit, we can change it to no trading or change it to 5 per day, anything like that. Yeah, and that is how you change the trade and acquisition rules on ESPN Fantasy Football. I hope that helped you guys out and have a fantastic day. Do not subscribe to me.